Welcome everyone. Now, ways to passing values to a function means how many types or how many ways you can pass the value to a particular function in Java. Java allows two kinds. One is pass by value, another is pass by reference. Now come to pass by value. So what is the definition here? The pass by value is the process of passing a copy of the actual parameter to the formal parameter. And second point, any changes made in the formal parameter does not reflect on the actual parameter. And in this process, only the primitive data types are passed like int, float, double, boolean, char, long, etc. Now look at a real life example. I have defined a main function and another a user defined function. In main function, there is a note copy. Now in pass by value method, the original note copy is not passed to user defined function. Rather than the duplicate of the note copy is passed. So any changes made by the user defined function will not reflect in the original one. So this is the pass by value. Now look at the program. So here one class is defined, name is pass by value, and one instance variable have taken, that is int a equal to 10, and one user defined method name is accept, and it takes one parameter of integer type, and inside that the code is written a equal to a plus n. That means I am incrementing the value of a with the n, and after that I am printing the value of n. So print statement is written the value of a inside the method equal to a. So now come to the main function. Object is created as it is a non-static method. Then another print statement is there, that is value of a before method call a. Then I am calling the method obj.accept inside the bracket 5. Then I am again printing the value of a after the method call a. Now question is, what is the output? Obviously before method call a equal to 10 here, so output will be a equal to 10. Then obj.accept with the value 5. So here 5 will come inside n. Now a equal to a plus n, that means 10 plus 5 equal to 15. So the value of a inside method equal to 15. That is correct. But the question is, what is the output of the last statement after the method call? Now my dear students, here the value of a will be 10 due to the pass by value concept. Because the value is changed inside the method and we are sending the actual value. So here it will not reflect. So here value will come a equal to 10. Look at the output. Look at the output here. The value of a before method call equal to 10. Value of a inside method equal to 15. Value of a after method call equal to 10. Now come to pass by reference method. So definition. It is the process of passing the reference or address of actual parameter to the formal parameter. And any changes made in the formal parameter will be reflected on the actual parameter. And in this way, non-primitive data types are passed like array and objects. Look at the real life example. Here two functions, main function and user defined functions. And inside main functions I have a note copy. So same note copy will be transferred to user defined function. So if any changes made by the user defined function will reflect on the original. This is the pass by reference concept. And now look at the programming. Here class is pass by reference and same int a equal to 10. But inside my method, user defined method, I am accepting an object of class pass by reference. pass by reference OB. That means OB is the object of pass by reference class. And after that, I have written ob.a equal to ob.a plus 5. And then system.out.println value of a inside method equal to ob.a. Then inside main function, object is created obj, and same the value of a before method call equal to obj.a. Now obj.accept bracket obj. Then system.out.println value of a after method call obj.a. Then see what is the output. Before method call 10, inside method 15, and after method call 15. That means after change inside the method, the value is already changed. That is the pass by reference. Now I will explain in detail. Now this is the class pass by reference. Here instance variable, and look at the main function. Here I am creating pass by reference obj equal to new pass by reference. And when this code will be executed, inside the memory, one obj will be created, and inside the obj there will be a equal to 10, because a is a instance variable. Then as accept is a non-static method, so object is required to call the method. So obj.accept. Again the method accepting an object, so I am passing the object obj. So when I am passing the obj, so entire obj a equal to 10 will be passed here, and here it is stored in ob, another object. So obj will be transferred to ob, again ob a equal to 10, and inside the method I have written ob.a equal to ob.a plus 5. So value will be ob a equal to 15. That means which a equal to 15? Now a is changed. Which a? Now this a. Before it was 10, but I have changed a to 15. So look at the coding printing. Before method call it was 10. Inside method it is already 15, and also after method call a equal to 15. But the programming of pass by reference is out of scope, so don't worry to learn the programming. Only you focus the programming of pass by value. Thank you.